online to try to find a egg cooker. And this is called the Rapid Egg Cooker. And you can do 6 eggs. And I got the white one. They come in different colors, but I got the white one. And I really like it. It has a little button here. You put water in the bottom of it. Let me get, there's a little dish here that you put water in. It's on this side. You can make omelets or poached eggs, which the poached eggs go in here, and the omelet will go into this. On the other side, it's hard-boiled eggs or medium or soft-boiled, and just for the water. That's the amount of water you put in it. The little container here is like this. I've just used it, so it's got water in it. You just pour the water in it. Then you take this little egg stand, and it's got a little thing that you just have to work this where it turns. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it turns. It stays in, and you put your, I got it crooked, hold on. And well, be fun. Are we having fun yet? Okay, now I did it every time before. Okay, if I go up, and it just slides, okay, here we go. Slides into the little slots, and once you get a slot, you turn it. There we go. Fun. Okay, but you take this, you put the water in it. Let's say we're going to do a omelet. No. Let's do that. Let's say we're going to do hard-boiled eggs. You put the water in. You put the eggs. Then it has a top, and you slide it down, and you slide to lock. Then you push. Be sure to plug it in then. Don't plug it in beforehand. Then push till the little blue light comes on. Once that little blue light, it'll start timing it. When the water evaporates, your eggs, there's going to be a little song that it sings. You know what? I think I'm just going to show you how it works. So let me do that now. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I want to show you what I got. I got a Rapid Egg Cooker, and I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to do 6 eggs. It comes with a little thing here. It tells you if you want them hard, medium, or soft boiled, or if you want to do an omelet or poached eggs, you put them in one of these things. But anyway, it comes when you do that. Now, before I do that, it has a little cup. This cup. You see the little pinhole, that little thing? You put a hole in the top of each one of the eggs. Then you put the top on, and you will seal it, plug it in, and push this button. See that little hole that I punctured in the top of each one of them? Starting to steam now. So we will wait for it to come back. When it goes off, it'll have a sweet little tune. So I love this thing. So we'll be back. Okay, it's boiling, and you can see the steam coming out. Make sure there's no kids around when you do this, because that steam is very, very hot. So put it where they cannot reach it. But it is really great if you want to do deviled egg sandwiches or deviled eggs, or if you want hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, or if you want to do an omelet, you want to do a poached. As you can see, the tray's right there. Poached eggs, you know, any kind of egg you want to do. I mean, you can add things to it, but I really like it for boiled eggs. It's just pretty quick and easy, and just make sure you put that little dot, you just pop this in the top of the egg. You take this off, and then just push it down. It won't break, so just put it down. So anyway, just want to show you this. I thought maybe you might like one if you love eggs as much as we do, and gives us a little bit of something else to do, something different for breakfast or lunch or whatever. Hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow. Maybe I should let you hear the little, when it rings. I'll be right back. It'll tell me when it's done. There you go. That's the kind of sound you hear when it's done. And just push this. It's off. And I'll unplug it. There you go.